check out my old pressure gauge. Definitely need a new one. Let's take a look at the new one I just ordered. All metal casing, no plastic, which is very good. Durable look and design. Liquid filled. Let's remove the old one, turning left, lefty-loosey. Removing the old Teflon tape with a toothbrush. Installing the new Teflon tape on the new gauge. Installing the new one, turning right, righty-tighty. And cleaning up the area well. Simple and easy DIY. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe.